Hi, everybody. This is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Sunday, May 19th, 2024. Hope you guys are having a fantastic weekend, and let's get started. So, Friday was kind of just a dull day. We were just really bouncing back and forth from the 5290 up to the 5305, and that was it. It was a very, very tight range. We had one little drop that went down to the 5284, but that was bid back up. And then the bulls weren't really able to get it through to 5305, and we just kind of hung out right there. So really, nothing has changed. What I'm looking at right now, and I'm looking at this as a wave 5 of 5, and you can see this was the big wave 3. So now we came down, made the 4, and you can see 1, 2, we're in the wave 3, and what I'm anticipating at some point, we're going to get a little dip for a wave 4, and then another move back up for a wave 5, and then that should do it. And from there, that's where I'm anticipating that we're going to get a deeper pullback than some people are really anticipating, and it may take a little while for this to play out, but it's going to be an important little top that we're looking at right here. If we take a look at the hourly chart, you can see I was actually saying I was anticipating that we were going to get a little pullback so we can see the momentum come down. You can see it did that. So now if we make a new high, we're going to have some good bearish divergences, and from there, that's where, these were ignored here, where we just had that little, we just kind of chopped up and down, and then we shot up. So this is going to be the second set of sell signals, and again, I think a lot of people are just looking up right now, especially after this move, and they're probably going to get caught on the wrong side. And from, the move after we make this top here, and we're going to get these sell signals, I believe we're going to be coming down, probably testing the 200-day moving average at the 5170 level. Maybe we could even go, a little bit higher than that, find support somewhere in this area. And but it's going to be probably a 150 point drop that I would be anticipating that would come. And again, we have to be patient with this, just because there's a lot of money coming into this market right now from overseas. So some of these sell signals are going to be ignored, but when it does kick in, it's probably going to be, where we're going to get the let's say big shakeout is going to be when World War III starts, which I'm just from the looks of things, it seems like it's going to start pretty quick, pretty soon. So that's where we're going to get the knee-jerk reaction down, and like I said, it's probably going to catch some people by surprise. So the support level, fairly simple right here at the 52.65. If we head higher, it's kind of hard to say where we're going to go, but I'm just following this trend line right here, and I'd be anticipating somewhere at the 54.25 level would be an area where the top could be. It could be a little bit, shallower than that, but here, just going through that wave structure that I was talking about, you have your 1, and this is where they get kind of subdivided. So we have a 1, 2, 1, 2, and now we made the wave 3, 4, and then 5. And once this 5 hits here, that's going to be the wave 3 right here, where we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then that's going to be the 3, and then down and then up again. And that's where I believe that we're going to get the sharper break to the downside on that. So we just anticipate some chop. That's probably the best way to put it. But this looks like it's just consolidating right now. And again, the final top may be somewhere up into the 54.24, but it's not going to be as easy as this move was right here. We're going to start seeing the bears start to jump in and fight a little bit, and then when everything is said and done, that's when we're going to get the bigger pullback. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.